Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can make music with Donna Ai. In order to do so, here we are in the Donna app for iOS, Donna, search for it. You should be able to find it. And from here, let's go ahead and click try now. We'll go through the steps here. So we've got already a question here, describe the song. Let's try Get Inspired. So we clicked on Get Inspired, and that brought in a graduation anthem celebrating my sister's first college degree, full of hope and pride. Why not? Let's go ahead and hit continue. And here we can fine-tune our song with optional details. And let's go ahead and say happy. Let's go ahead and call it funk. And let's say it's male. And we're going to hit generate. And it says, please allow notifications to be notified. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and say no. Song creation in progress, so you could see for yourself just how quickly Donna works. And it is already playing here. So super fast. And as far as the results go, it's pretty decent. Then you can see here that it says unlock the song. So this is where if you want to actually be able to use Donna, you are going to need to pay the subscription, and we're looking at an annual of $80, semi-annual of $59.99, and a weekly of $7.99. So if you're interested in the Donna app, head to the iOS store and search for Donna in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open up an account, and once you've gotten started, you can get $125 per referral for referring your friends and family. It is a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.